The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice.
Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's had a great night and ready for a great day. I'm a bit discombobulated this morning. I got up late. I got up like 15 minutes ago, so give me a little bit here. Good morning, Mr. G. How are you doing today? Okay, so let's look at the markets, shall we? So yesterday you saw that huge drop, and then it recovered most of it overnight. Tried to recover more, and then Europe sold off. ES high 48.21, low was 47.91, so it's about 30 points in range. NQ 977, 866, 111 points in range. Hey, it's giving me a good early morning math. Okay, so I didn't move any of my yellow lines, so give me a second here. Copper. About 80 ticks in range. Gold. Ooh, gold. Nice rise up there on gold. Wow, about 26 points in range on gold. Huge rise up, pulling back a little bit now. Ultra bond. Don't even know where my lines are on the ultra bond. Oh, it's looking at the 5-minute chart. Haha, let's see. There we go. Looking at about a point range. This is natural gas, which has been rising up. And then all. Ooh, big rise on oil there too. Let's see here. Wow. Over 2 points of rise, and we're back up to 75. Bitcoin down below 46. Not what they expected after that ETF was launched. So anyway, that's where we sit standing. Whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. Oh, missed that nice bounce there as I was trying to get myself discombobulated. Wow, look at that. It's a big bounce. Darn it, that would have been a great trade right there. But we'll get the next one. PPI report today coming up in about 25 minutes. Good morning, John. Happy Friday to you as well. Okay. Give me a minute to check all the stuff I normally check before the stream starts. Since normally I start, the countdown to the stream at quarter of. That's when I woke up, quarter of. So still trying to get myself in gear here. Morning, JC. So I think PPIs are only news today. Oh, we do have earnings reports coming out. Citigroup just came out. JP Morgan and United Health have earnings calls. There's a Fed speaker at 10 o'clock. But yeah, PPIs are big news, of course, coming up in the 25 minutes. Hey, Crypticon. Yesterday I finished up 461 on the Topstep Eval. Where it turned out, crypto, I'm not going to get much snow, if at all, like less than an inch. It's going to be mostly rain. Yep, it was a very good day. Hopefully we can continue that momentum. Pulls back there. Unless it changed again. I haven't looked this morning since I got up late. Yeah, the big thing is going to, for us down here, is going to be wind and then extreme, extreme cold. Yeah, that went between a half and 3/4 of an inch of rain. But yeah, new snow accumulation of about less than a half inch. And by Saturday night, they went wind chills down to -20. Blue candle here. Do I want to take it? Do I want it? Nope, went away. Well, vent away. Yeah, yes, it will. But both storms this week, they originally were calling for a lot of snow, and both storms ended up being like almost no snow, or assuming this one stays like they're calling for now. We've had like maybe an inch of snow total this year so far. Yeah, it looks like the storm stayed north. Or I guess I shouldn't say the storm stayed north. The colder air stayed north longer than they expected it to. Yeah, yeah, you're under a winter storm warning up there. Looks like they went about 3 to 6 in Chicago. Mm, no idea. Crept? You should, if you're serious about keeping those accounts and all that, you really shouldn't gamble on news. So in case anyone didn't see, and if anyone's interested, Bulenox launched an 80% sale yesterday. 80%, not 80 cent. 80% sale off their intraday drawdown accounts. No idea how long it lasts. Because Bulenox never tells me these things. I didn't even know they launched it until someone else told me. Because they don't ever send emails on these things. They're the worst communicators. They don't tweet. They don't send emails. They do nothing. You just gotta. The only way to know that there's a sale is to go into your affiliate dashboard and see what's running right now. Constantly trailing like Apex Crypticon. I was actually charting out UB some last night on the 5-minute chart with the strategy that I think if I switch to 5-minute charts, I actually works pretty well. It's a 15-minute chart. New low day. But you can see here, this would have been yesterday on the 5-minute chart. And Ultra Bond would have gave 3 setups. This bounce here, red down here, blue here, up. This blue here, up. This red here, down. It was quite the fall yesterday, then quite the bounce then in the afternoon. So I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. Little bounce there. Little bounce from Pasadena. New Year's resolution was to break into song less on the stream. I seem to be breaking that. "15 minutes till the PPI. Pops back up. Kind of in a holding pattern here until PPI. With Ultraviolet's ready to open. Let's see what's coming down. Let's see if it bounces at all. Gold still kind of trickling down. Do want to thank everyone for joining me today. If you haven't already, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. All right. Let us know how that turns out. Yesterday with CPI, I said I felt it was going to come down, and it did, but it shot up 30 points before that huge drop. Uh, it's PPI. CPI was yesterday. PPI is at, yes, 7:30 your time, Crypt, 8:30 Eastern. So just about 10 minutes away. CPI is the consumer price index, and PPI is the producer price index. Morning, John. Good luck, JC. How you doing this morning, John? A reminder again, Monday is a holiday. We won't be streaming. The CME closes at noon Central. And for those of you prop traders out there, remember that from Sunday night through Tuesday afternoon, it's all considered one trading day. So keep that in mind for consistency rules and loss limits and all that fun stuff. Awesome, John. That's amazing. I can tell just in your words how much pride and how much pleasure that gives you seeing your son play sports and have success. US dollar is strong, running up. Staying flat till after PPI. Popping up here. 5 minutes to go, less than 5 minutes to go. Crypticon, there is a 50% off on their new static account and 50% off one of their starter accounts. You can only get one at the 50% off. I definitely love that static account. I think it's the best static account out there now. But I think they're pulling it after today. They're only going to have it around for a limited time. That was a beautiful blue candle. I almost want to take that, but I'm not going to. I think the static account crypt would be really good for you because you're limited to 2 contracts. But the drawdown never moves, so you never have to worry about a drawdown trailing you. I said I think the My Funded Futures static drawdown account would be really good for you because it's limited to just you can't trade more than 2 contracts. So it has risk management built in, but the drawdown never moves. You never have to worry about the drawdown trailing. It's always the same amount. You start off with $1,500 in drawdown, and then as you make money, the drawdown doesn't follow you. It's yes, it's 50% off. It's $150 though. It's normally $300, and the code is static 50. Hold on, let me check to make sure that's right. I thought I said at the post here. Hold on. Yeah, static 50. Oh, there it is. Nightbot just posted it. Oh, but I guess it would have been good if I put the code in with the Nightbot. I'll have to fix that. We are less than a minute away, about 30 seconds away from PPI. right above 16,900 as we head into PPI. Whoosh, up. Shot up about 36 points. Should have taken that blue candle and just held. Still going up almost 40. There's 40. Let's see what the PPI numbers were. 1%, they expected 1.3%. That actually came in, so the CPI came in hot and this came in cold. That's interesting. Usually if one comes in hot, the other comes in hot. This is the exact opposite. That's a very good number for the economy. Still going here. Up 55 points. What's the Ultra Bond doing? Ultra Bond shot up. Bond shot down. Gold shooting up, new high a day. Copper's enjoying it too. Crude oil doesn't care. Pulls back now. Another blue candle right after that. All right, give me a minute there, Mr. G. Oh, I find my YouTube links. My computer seems to be running slow. Or my YouTube is, one of the two. There it is. Everyone, here is the link for Mr. G's YouTube channel called Winning Wall Street's Money. Lots of good information on that channel. Give him some subscribers. He needs some more subscribers. It's starting to top out here, it looks like. Got up to 971. Let's see where we go. Alright, so how's natural gas going? I even don't have it up. Hold on. It's pulling back now. Yeah, natural gas has been liking this winter weather. Yeah, I was thinking it didn't come down to your level there, did it? JC. So kind of crawling here. You can see it's kind of just sideways now. Taking a breath out of that big after that big move. Oops. Pulling back a little bit. Pulling back just a tad. Popping up. All right. Good luck. Oh, well, that just was a nice move. How many ticks do you need for on the full clip? All right. Come on, give it to him, baby. And Q's kind of sideways here. Yes, YM same. Pulling back again. And back up. Excellent. Great job, JC. Boom. Love it. No playing around there. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. No trades yet for me here. So I'm liking this purple candle on the 5. Pulling up just a tad there. It's get close to a minute before this candle closes. No, that ended yesterday, JC. Right now, the only one-day passes are Tick Tick and my funded futures. Wow. So I just went short there based on that purple candle on the 5, and it immediately shot up. 5 micros on this trade instead of a mini. I do need to be more aggressive with this account, but we'll see how it goes. Cryptic God, you still here? Did you do anything with PPI? It's right on the 20 right now on the 1-minute chart, so I'm watching it. I need to see it break through there. Oh, bouncing on it. Darn it. Could have taken a $50 win there. Let's see what happens. There we go. Maybe break. There we go. Got a break. Come on. Let's do a clean breakdown. Let's break it down something proper like. I've been struggling on that 20. It's struggling at 16,950. Remember, market loves even numbers. There we go. Starting to get some momentum there. There we go. What's our ATR? 18 on the 5, 10 on the 1. There we go. Bouncing back up. We're going to get out there. It's probably going to continue down, but I'm comfortable with that. Nice win there. Wish it would have been 1 mini instead of the micros, but it was a $63 win this for my first trade of the morning. Ten minutes till the top of the hour. Morning, Sid. It looks like I'm happy where I got out there. Oh, yeah. By the way, Sid and everybody else that helped with that whole YouTube memberships thing, YouTube credited the bonus yesterday, so I got it. And they usually send their money about the 20th of the month, so I should have it in my account then. It was a beautiful number to see. Thank you all so much for all that help. Yeah, I was a very happy ox. Still amazing how well that much this community has supported me, and I still thank you all so much. So hang back around 16,950. I'm glad I got out where I did. Popping up with a blue candle here, but we're not. We're below the signal line. It could be a trap. It's a trap. Okay, grab 5 there. Didn't quite go 5. Have a great weekend, JC. Great job on that full clip trade. We'll see you on Tuesday. Nice blue candle here. So we are going to take this one. With 5 minutes to go to the bell. Or it went away. So we're not going to take that one. John, any trades this morning yet? We're long. I might give back here. Let's see. Took the long off the blue, waited till it came down, and then it started coming back up. So I thought we were, heading up after a pullback, but nope, stopped me out. Yep. So we gave back our win earlier, and now we're down 50. Nice. Popping back up. So me shot down 11 points to stop me out, and then pop back up. Get back in. I'm getting in late as usual. Targeting this, gonna target that band. Not a big win there, forget it, but oops. Oops, I just wiped out my stop. Oops. And now the band's down even further. It's gonna be a small win if we get it, but let's see. There we go. Target hit. We're back in the green by $44.94. And we're at the top of the hour. So 2 out of 3 wins today. Popping back up after that pullback. Do we go to the well again? No, they finished red. Love it when it makes the easy decision for me. Less than 30 minutes till the bell. Yeah, I meant 5 minutes to the top of the hour. My brain, said my brain mixed things up. I woke up late this morning and everything's been discombobulated since. I woke up literally the minute that I normally start the stream countdown. So I could still try to push up here. Pushing up. I was right. It is pushing up. So nice positive momentum here as we go to the bell. Actually, we're actually near high of day. Let's see. Yeah. 977 was our high. We actually, okay, 979 was our high on the news. We're back up to 969. ES trailing just a little bit. Still pushing up. Blue candle. This is where I start getting like, do I want to? Pulls back. That was half wick, half body. Pulls back a little bit. So glad I didn't take that blue candle at least so far. Oh, quick pull down there. Back under. They got up above 6. Yeah, easy for me to say. No, it didn't. What am I saying? Still discombobulated. So just ignore me. Pulls back by about 10 points. Ow, sorry, I just hit the mic. That had to hurt. Purple candle pulling back there on the 5 as well. 30 seconds to go on it. It's interesting there. It's kind of floating. Wasn't near a band, but a second of peeling a hard-boiled egg because like I didn't have breakfast this morning. So just trying to bounce off this 20. We're about 18 minutes till the bell. Oh, still coming down. So I should have taken that purple candle. Morning, Ace. How are you on this lovely Friday? I'm doing good. Trying to pop up, but yep, right back down, right back up. Now it is popping back up. 15 minutes to the bell. ES shooting me a blue candle there on the 5. Nice strong candle there on NQ. I'm going to peel another egg. Still heading up. I actually thought about taking ES there. Decided not to. I should have. Still trying to move up. It's like NQ is looking to reclaim 17,000. It's a new high day, by the way. What? Maybe not. I had double topping so far. See if they can break through. Break on through to the other side. There it goes. Now it's a new high day. How's everyone doing out there? Anyone taking any trades? Pulls back a tad. Wow, that was a nice push up to 989. So I said about not liking to take this blue candle here. You can see I should have taken that blue candle there. Nice, Ace. So my goal for this long weekend is to finally go back through about 3 months of data and get percentages. Like how many times does the blue candle, when we're above the signal line, How many times does it work? How many times does it not work? So I can see uh, solid numbers. Say that, if it works 50% of the time for a 2-to-1 win to loss or something like that. To get those numbers so I can just get through my head that take the trades. It's gotten a little bit better, but I need to get it more better. Mo better. Oh, Ace, good news. That whole membership thing with that bonus that YouTube had promised with the memberships, I got that bonus yesterday. It was credited to my account and will be paid out in probably about 10 days. Oh, pull back. Yep, it definitely worked. This community is awesome. Gold made a new high day. Ultraviolet made a new low a day there. Gonna give him a win. Crude oil at the open came down further. Not the low a day. Still got a ways to go for that. And there we go. Moving back up. He's still in on that trade, Ace. You have 5 points. Nice. Good Friday. Feed the family steak tonight. You had several really good days this week, haven't you, Ace? And you try to get up to 17,000. Still going. Excuse me. Hit 16,999. Yeah, it's amazing when you think back of what prices were. It's like, your mind tells you it's so expensive now. Still hasn't. There's 17,000. So NQ is reclaiming 17,000. Meanwhile, Ace, wow, you're getting really close to 10 points. But we are also getting very close to the bell. Less than 2 minutes, folks. Places, everybody. I would take it right before the bell because I have a feeling this is going to shoot down. But that's me. No one should ever take my advice. 25 seconds. Comes down a little bit, but did not shoot down like I thought it might. Came down by 10 on NQ. ES still going up. So hopefully Ace didn't listen to me. Because what the heck do I know? This is hesitating. Interesting, this open is very uneventful so far. First minute didn't really move much at all. Now it's coming down some. NQ is anyway. Dow rising and ES still rising. Q coming down. ES still hanging around 48.30. Gold rising. Ooh, big pullback there now in NQ. Excellent trade. That's awesome. That's a beautiful Friday. I think there's your second 10-point win this week, right? NQ falls back down to 978. All right. Have fun on the bus. Gold rising up nicely, new high a day. Pops back up. I I know. This Scout was joking. Why am I looking at crude? Had the wrong tab. Purple candle here was. If I devay. ATR. I don't have it on. Now right around the 10. Nope, red to green now. Just hanging on the 20. I mean, this is a very unusual open. It really not moving a lot. We had that move down on NQ. Just a significantly. I mean, ES is barely moving. It's actually still rising up. Actually, nice. And there's a blue candle below our signal line on the RSI. So, yay or nay on that one? Still rising on gold. Pulls back a little bit there. ES still going up to 43.34. NQ got back up above 17,000 to 17,013, almost maybe a double top there. We shall see. Another blue candle. Wow. Quick rise right back. Wow. Nope, no double top. Burst through up to 17,019. Still going. See, I dream of the day where I'll get confident enough to take this blue candle here, over here on the 5. That happened at 8:50, and just trail this up. This would be so beautiful. So beautiful. Pulls back a little bit, kind of hesitating here. My cat's decided to join me here on the chair. He's telling me to go long. Tell him that he doesn't know anything. Y'all got quiet. Must be concentrating. Market strong like bull. Ah, another burst out. And then comes right back down. Yes, actually maybe showing a red candle there. Maybe not. I guess I should look at my phone to make sure my chat didn't start working again. No, okay, it's good. Oops, still going up. Up, 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 up. That was probably annoying, huh? Little pull back there. That's a purple candle on the 1. It was. It's gone away. So if we look at NQ now, it's ES and NQ getting really close to yesterday's highs, which is 17,057 on the NQ. ES was 48.38. In the year 48.38. Ultra Bond. Oh, wow. Ultra Bond went from low a day to high a day in the last 4 15-minute candles in the last hour. Crude oil popping up nicely. Copper also popping up nicely. Everything's happy today. Except for Bitcoin. Wow. Big move down. Around 1740. Pulling back there in the 1. Purple. Let's see if it holds. Short. I'm late as usual. Wow, really late. How did I get so late on that? Oh crap! And I don't have a stop. There we go. Now I have a stop. Eh, the lateness is gonna hurt me, as it means my stop's bigger than it needed to be. Ouch. So that purple candle did not work. Dang it. It tricked me. It tricked me. Now watch it go up. Now our high there is 17,042 half. It did not go back up and hit that. That possibly should have been our stop. It was a blue candle now, so it looks like it wants to come back. Let's see. Ah, yeah, look at that. Let's see what it does. Dow pushing down. ES finally showing a red candle. And Q trying to push down a little bit. Maybe not. Nice, Sid. 80% win rate. That's awesome. Market's taking a little breath here. Beautiful. And Q just kind of hanging here at 17,030-ish. YM around 48.33. Or ES, not YM. Reminder, folks, if you're looking to pick up some accounts, prop firms, 80% off Bulenox. Mightbot just posted the link there. That's their intraday accounts. They actually have 58% off their end of day as well, if you're interested. That code's MOT58. Yeah, blue candle there in NQ. It's floating. I don't like floating candles. Actually, in an ES trade, see bottom left-hand corner. You can hardly see it, I know. And target hit. That was a 2-point trade in at 48.31 quarter out of 48.29 quarter. 2 points. Ace is going to be so upset that he missed me taking an ES trade. And then Q's still coming down. So watch. This is where I make my mistake by being too risk averse. I tell myself, I tried to take this purple candle, and I put my stop at the top of the purple candle, and I got stopped out. But I tell myself, when we see a purple candle like this with a green candle right before it, like this in the vans, put your stop at the top of that one. Now, part of the problem is here. I got in 4 points late, so I made my stop bigger to start with. But you can see here, if I had made my stop at 17,042 half, it would not have stopped me out. Well, it got close by 2 ticks, but it would not have stopped me out. I was in at like 29 half. And you can see now we're down to 19 half. So this could have been a 10-point trade if I had put my stop up, at the top of that. Basically, it was a high day. So you can call it swing high or whatever you want to call it. But my risk averseness cost me. But I did get some of that back there on that ES trade. Blue candle back up. Seems like it wants to fall, but it's still trying. Bless its heart, as they say. Oh, no, purple candle. Let's see what it gives us. Strong uptrending vans here, which means our vans are closing some. So I'm a little hesitant on that purple candle. Yeah, I was hesitant. Should have taken it. It's just gotta become automatic. because I keep getting in these trades late. And you see, I shouldn't have doubted it. Boom, down 10 points. And further. Whoosh. About 20 points. That was a perfect setup, and I'm an idiot. So suddenly free fall in here. Deck down to 958. ES down to 48.16. Sorry, I keep hitting the mic. And just continuing to fall. So you can see how quickly we fell. 32.5-minute candle there, 40.5-minute candle here. Just could quickly fall. Is there some sort of news, or if this is just market saying we had enough of up and let's head down? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there's a Fed speaker. Nope, he's not. Okay, that Fed speaker just started a minute or two ago, and he's not making any headlines. No, I'm not seeing any headlines. Gold pulled back. Ultra Bond new high day. It's having a day. Oh, what a difference a day makes. Oh, sorry. Crude pulling back. Copper pulling back. Everything. So everything was going up at once, and everything's coming down at once. What's looks like agriculture's downward momentum as well. Ouch. I just hit myself. Waiting for our next opportunity. Kind of consolidating here for the last couple minutes. Blue candle, I'm not sure I want to trust that. So that second blue candle did work for 10. But bouncing off that 100 EMA. Boop, 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 boom. Just trying to push through. So found the bottom for now, it looks like, after that big move down. Oh, look at that. Popping back above the 20. Wrong. Still don't have a stop. How am I doing that? Oh, I forgot. I turned that off. So one stop. GTC. What am I in at? 99. There we go. Ah, should take a quick 5 or 10 or 5. Yeah, 5. Nope, it's rejecting now. Come on. Move up for me, baby. Nope. Ouch. Come on, baby. Back to my entry. Back to green. Not getting a button. Oh, ouch. Rejected off my entry. Or out. Take the loss. Of course, it's going to send me another blue candle now. Does anyone have any Apex accounts that they passed yesterday in that one day passing thing? Purple candle coming down. Apex just announced that there was a snafu yesterday with Rhythmix reporting. We're short here. God, I need to activate the ATM again. There. That's a big stop. Ouch, I didn't realize how big that candle was. But that's okay. Ah, come on. Just once, go straight down for me. That's what I'm talking about. We'll take that. And we got back on most of our losses, only down 51 today. Shot down to 51. Ouch. So I got out too early as usual. And we're continuing on down. Bouncing a little, so it got down to 951. Bounce here, possibly. Gold bounced off that 100 EMA, 20 EMA, back up. Ultra bond still green. Crude fallen. Okay, I'm looking up there, and I thought I saw the phrase "done for the day." Sid. Ah. Great job, Sid. Seriously. I understand. And back down. Bounced off that 20 and the 100 and right back down. Falling back to 950. ES down to 48.13. Sitting on its 100 EMA on the 5. Dow falling as well. So see here this beauty of a setup that I've struggled to take. I mean, I got a win. Didn't get the win I could have got, but I got a win. But this is a beautiful setup right here that I didn't take up. That I tried to get in late and I got stopped out. Yeah, this blue candle coming out of the bands, red down here. Even if I didn't take this one, I should have taken this one. And you can see how beautiful that would have been. This purple candle that I did take, just didn't take it to its full potential. And then this one, this isn't necessarily a plus trigger, but we had a red candle bounce off two EMAs, and you can see how it fell. That's oftentimes a nice little indication that it wants to come back down or up if it's the opposite direction. So you can see all the opportunities I didn't take here. It should have me up more. That one, took that one, didn't take the full advantage of it, and that one. And this one, like I talked about, if I had used proper stop, a bigger stop, it would have ended up. Actually, you can see it. I mean, it ended that way. There's, I would love to say I could held all that, but I wouldn't have. And you can see all these blue candles also would have worked. This one, this one, this one. This is the only one that wouldn't have worked, but it did go 6 points. Thing just came back down. Bouncing up a little bit. Pushes back down. Pausing a little bit here, trying to figure out which way it wants to go. I don't know where it's going. Trying to pop up a little bit again. right there, sitting on the dock of the bay. Up to 966, trying to reject off that 20. Still trying to pop back up now. So I got that blue candle there. It wasn't the red. It came after this, so it looked more like it wanted to come down. And you can see we got a big wick down. That one came down about 10 points. Our ATR right now is 16, so if we used ATR, we wouldn't have got stopped out. And it did go about 20, 22, so we could have got a decent trade out of that. Oh, coming back down. So rejected off that 100 EMA. It's still above the signal line. Everyone got so deathly quiet. Pops up. Glad I didn't take that purple candle. Tries again to break through the 20. Again, reminder, folks, if you're not up on current events, Monday is a holiday. We won't be streaming that day. So a slow little grind up here, but it was a nice grind up. Back up to 1980. No, 16,980. Where did I get 1980 from? 16,980 and rising. Up to the bands, trying to pull back. It's hanging here. Looks like it might want to move. Easy for me to say. Might want to move up more. Down a little bit on the day. We'd like to find one more good trade to get back to green. And then another pullback. I don't know where we're going. See if it pops right back up or if it continues down. Okay, continues down. hanging around 977. Kind of lost some oomph again. Blue candle trying to bounce back up. Nope. Blue candle went away. 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 So once again, reminder that Bulenox 80% off. They did not tell me when that sale ends, so you should grab it while you can. Could end today, could end the end of the month, could end sometime next week. So there's a slow grind back down. Purple candle there on the 5. I like it. Kinda. Maybe. It's hitting that 100 EMA. See, it bounced off that 100 EMA once. How did everyone do today? Is there anyone even still here? I know Ace did well. I know Sid did well. JC did well. Yeah, I know you're here. Right? Yes, Sid. Hanging below that 100, excuse me, 100 EMA or 20 EMA on the 5. See, we did kind of bounce off that 100 EMA on the 5 again. It looks like I might want to try a third time. Third time might be the charm. Purple candle on the 1. Big purple candle on the 1. Darn, I didn't take it because of that 100 EMA that was looming, and you could see it shot down. Wow, shot down 20 points. Just broke right through it. Gold, big pullback here. Got up to 66 earlier, down to 56 now, so 10-point drop. Ultra Bond, big drop there. Crude oil, now closer to its lows than its highs. Had gotten above 75, now it's below 74. Copper, new low a day. Bounce there on NQ. Nice bounce. Trying to pop back up again. Excuse me. Getting a little hoarse. I guess that'll be a pony. Bounding down. Eastbound and down. Kind of just stuck here in consolidation. Okay. Anybody have any plans for the weekend? Another purple candle down. We're short. Really late again. How did I get that late? My God. I'm gonna take that quick hit there. 4 points. I got in 5 points late. That should have been a 10-point trade. We got kind of down in advance, but that gets me to green on the day. We're up 24.04. Oops. Yeah, I think a little bit of a slippage, but honestly, my reaction times just seem off today. I woke up late and just this seems off right now. Uh, are you expanding on the stocks you look to trade? Because I remember you saying you really only look at like the 7 stocks, but you've been throwing out different tickers the last few days. Back down to 927. Oh, they way down to 866. So don't think we're gonna get back down there, or at least not here in the next 10 minutes. That'd be something. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Like I said, if you have any real cheap stocks that could be a buy and hold for a few days, my bank offered me a free $100 to if I sign up for a their brokerage account and auto deposit $50 for 3 months. So I have like $50 in that account right now. So I need something like ultra cheap. I can't day trade, so it's got to be. I mean, I have 3 day trades a week, so I could day trade like once or twice. But I just need, something I can maybe buy and hold for a few days. That's great, John. I just my last trade just got me back to green just slightly by $24. I'm up $24, so it's a green day. But yeah, as long as I deposit $50 a month for 3 months in that account, they'll give me a free $100, and then you know I can just withdraw it all if I want. If I, it's a nice little emergency fund, assuming I don't take a trade that loses it all. But yeah, just remember that to be cheaper because right now there's $50 in that account. Next week it'll add another 50, so it'll be $100 in that account. So it's not like it's I can't trade something like Apple or Tesla or anything like that. And I can't short. I can only go long. Need to have like $2,000 in the account to short. Still dropping here, getting close to 16,900. No, John, my bank, Ally Bank, they have a in brokerage side as well, and they offered me if I opened their brokerage account and deposited $50 for 3 straight months, auto deposited $50 3 straight months, they'll give me a free $100. So I opened it so I could get the free $100, and I figured while I have it, if I can find something good to trade, why not trade it? But I can't day trade. U.S. rules say you can't day trade if you don't have $25,000, so I can't day trade it, and you need at least $2,000 to get margin to short. So I'm just looking to something I can swing trade long for small gains or whatever. And that way, once the 3 months is done, they give me the $100. I can decide whether I want to just keep it in there or if I just want to close it out and take that free $100 and be happy. It'll pop up here. Yeah, I like taking advantage of offers like that. A few years back, I mean, I don't know if they still do it, but a lot of the bigger banks would offer bonuses if you open an account and like did a direct deposit or whatever. I made like $1,000 at one point opening accounts at like Chase and a few other banks just to get the bonus. I think Chase gave me $250 to open an account and then keep it open for 3 months and get one direct deposit into it or something like that. Nice little bounce up here. And pulling back down. Uh, no, just opening the account never hit my credit score. Never hit. Just opening a checking account. No, it's always what they call a soft versus hard check or whatever. Yeah, at one point before the amputation, so before my hospital stay where all my financial stuff went to crap, my credit score was 785. Yeah, I was happy. I was so happy with that because I've been poor all my life, so it wasn't even like I had that great of an income. I just was able to get everything, all my ducks in a row back then, and all my ducks got shot. 947. So we're at the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. We will be back here Tuesday morning, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. I hope everyone has a great long weekend, and we'll be see you then. Bye, everybody. There's my software.
If you enjoyed today's live
All
stream,
right, we'll see you
we do this every day, Monday through
Wednesday, Sid.
Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also, want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from Mighty Ox Trading. Have a great rest of your day.